Yes.
Ma'am, I have stopped.
Okay. Now, Lakshita, read the definition of composite numbers.
Composite numbers are those numbers which have more than two factors.
Composite numbers are those numbers which have more than
Ma'am,
two factors, like these. Okay, so they have two factors. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to now take out page number 68. Take out page number 68. Question: list all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. List all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. So this, let us listen. All of you have to learn some of the starting prime numbers. Some of the starting prime numbers you have to learn. Okay, acha, one more thing. Yes, 1 is neither prime, neither. 1 is neither prime nor composite.
Ma'am, this we have to write in a notebook.
Nothing, where? Nothing. You don't have to write anything. I didn't ask you take out to anything. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay? 1 is neither prime.
Ma'am,
Purva.
ma'am, I can't hear you. I have said that this we have to write in a notebook or in rough.
Nowhere. Nowhere. You don't have to write anywhere.
Okay,
1
ma'am.
is neither prime nor composite. There are all numbers, either they are prime or they are composite. So we all start from 2. We all start from 2. Then all the even numbers are composite number except which one? Tell me. Apurva, please switch off your mic.
Ma'am, two.
M2.
2 is the only even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. Why?
Ma'am.
Why? Apurva, please switch off your mic. 2 is the only prime number. Tell me why.
Ma'am, because it has only two factors.
No. 2 is the only even prime number, I'm saying. It is the only even prime number. You cannot find out prime number which is even. Why? Can someone tell?
Ma'am, because rest of the all even numbers are not prime numbers.
Why they are not prime numbers? Rest all even numbers are not prime numbers. Why?
Ma'am, because they have more than two factors.
What are the, how can you say? That means all odd numbers are prime numbers. Like this? ऐसा कुछ है क्या? All odd numbers are prime numbers. Is this correct,
No, ma'am.
Kushal?
No, ma'am.
Is it correct? Is it so, Kushal? No, it is not so. Tell me.
Ma'am, because it is divided by 2.
Yes, very good. Because or whatever the prime number is. What do you mean by prime number? What do you mean by even numbers? Even numbers are those that is divisible by 2. Okay, only 2 is the only number which is divisible by, which is a prime number and it is even also. There is only one number that is even also and prime also, because other even numbers will be divided by 2. Okay, so they have other factor. Okay, 1 is neither prime nor composite. I want to show you video, but I don't think so. Time is much left. We will not be able to see. Okay, one more thing. What you have to learn is some of the prime numbers you have to learn. 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Till here you have to learn them well. Speak after me. 1, 3, 5, 7, 11. Speak.
1, 3, 5, 7, 11.
1, 3, 5, 7, 11.
3, 5, 7,
11.
13, 17, 19.
1, 3, 5,
13,
7, 11, 30, 70, 90.
5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19.
See, these are prime numbers under 20. Under 20. Now, if I ask you to find, so in your book, it is given on page number 68 that you have to list all the prime numbers between 1 to 100. You have to write down all the prime numbers from 1 till 100. So, how will you do it then? Okay. So, I'm going to show you one video. If it will be stopped, then I will share you the link. Okay. That in that video you can say, wait, multiple share simultaneous. Only host all participants. Or one participant can share at a time. So take out page number 68. Okay. Now on my screen, you will be able to see that YouTube video that I'm going to show you. Prime numbers between 1 to 100. How will you find it out? Okay. My voice is coming or their voice is coming? Okay.
Ma'am,
Now
your
you
voice
can
is
see this is the table given to you from 1 to 100. Okay. Just give me a minute, beta. I'm just minimizing this video. Wait. Okay, this one first. So we are going to show you how to see. First of all, tell me all of you. 1 is a prime number or not? 1 is a prime number or no? 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So what they have done, we will leave 1. Now what he will do, he will circle 2. Now listen here. See, he will circle 2. Why? Because 1 is not neither prime nor composite. Now all the numbers which are coming in the table of 2, he is cutting all the numbers which is coming in the table of 2, or you can say multiples of 2. 18, 20.
Yes,
After
ma'am.
22, you will add 2 again. All the even numbers you have to cancel. He is cancelling all the even numbers given in the table. See, all the numbers given in the table, he is cancelling them all. 72, 74, 76. Don't stop at 20 or 30. You have to cut all the numbers which are coming in the table of 2. He cut 93 by mistake and 100. Now he will circle 2. Sorry, 3. Now he will circle the prime number 3. And the numbers which are coming in the table of 3 is cutting them all. Not double, not once. He's cutting them only once. Sorry. All the numbers cutting with the divisibility of 3. Or you can check them by the divisibility also. 6, 7 is 13, it is not coming. 7, 2 is 9, it is coming in the table of 3. Like this, you can check. 93, then 96 is already cut, 99. Now, 4 is cut here. 4 is cut over here. Now he will circle this 5 and cut all the numbers which are coming in the table of 5. 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5 and 0 is already cut. Now he will circle, 6 is not here, so he will circle this 7 here and cut all the numbers which are coming in the table of 7. 21, 28, 35, 42, 39, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, 89, 91 and this 98. So we will now, he will now cut 10, 9, 10 is already cut. Now 11 he will circle up and cut all the numbers which are coming in the table of 11, but they are already cut. Now we will check 13 as circle. or cut all the numbers which are coming in the table of 32, so 26, 33, 39, 52, 65, 78, 91. All are, and now he will circle all the numbers which are left. Now he will circle all the numbers which are left. The number which is he is circling, they are known as prime numbers. See, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. Okay, understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody face any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now it's good. Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly,
Yes,
in your book,
ma'am.
see, in your book, same kind of table is given to you. This is your book. A similar kind of table is given to you in your book, right? Ha, Adrika? Yes, yes, unmute yourself. Unmute karo beta, Adrika. Unmute yourself and speak. Wait, Adrika. Beta, type your message. I'm not able to hear you. Your voice is not coming, Adrika. You can type the message in the chat box. Now your voice is coming. Okay, ma'am, when you said. Huh? Huh? You can't understand this. Beta, what he has done in the video, I will show the video in next period again. Because this period is going to be over. We are going to meet in next 7th period. Okay? So I will show you in next 7th period this thing. Explain you. The meeting is going to be over.
Ma'am, your video is stopped.
Okay, beta. Aram. Okay, everyone. I think this is going to end. The meeting is going to end now. Less than 1 minute is left. So I will explain you in next period this thing. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Adrika, I will explain you again. I will show you the video again. Yes. Yes, beta. Who is saying something? Kushab?